Okay, I don't know how well you guys can see this, but it's our leaf maple. You can see all the branches are bent over downwards. That's because there's about, I don't know, 2 or 3 centimeters of ice on it from the freezing rain we got last night. The vehicles in the driveway, you can see icicles hanging off them. The front street is a skating rink. So we are not going anywhere today. There's what our back deck looks like. Ice. We're supposed to be getting wind shortly, which will more likely knock out more power than is already knocked off in this town.